Welcome to the S1 Quickstart Guide. Let's get started using your radio. Firstly, unboxing. Open the box. You will see the radio first. Take it out and check the included accessories. Hold the radio. Push the battery cover outwards to remove it. Align the battery contacts with the tabs in the battery compartment. Then press the bottom of the battery downwards. Place the hooks of the battery cover to the slots and then push the battery cover upwards until you hear a click. Install the strap. Attach the belt clip. Install the antenna. On the front of the radio, you will see the front PTT button, microphone, LED indicator, and speaker. On the sides are the side PTT button, volume up-down buttons, and 3.5mm audio jack. On the back of the radio, there are the strap hole and belt clip. The on-off key and channel knob are on the top. The USB Type-C port is on the bottom. Charge the radio via the USB Type-C cable. The indicator light will glow red when charging. It will glow green once the battery is fully charged. Long press the on-off button to turn on the radio, while 4 LED indicators flash green thrice. The dual PTT buttons help you talk with either of the two standby groups without manual selection. Press and hold the side PTT button to make a call.
Test 1, 2, 3, 4.
Release the PTT key when you end the call. You can assign another channel to the front PTT button. Press and hold the front PTT button to initiate a call. Edit the channel for the S1 through the Hytera Radio app. Scan this QR code to download the official app. You can also watch the tutorial video for the Hytera Radio app on our YouTube channel or other official social media. Choose the optional earpiece accessory with the PTT function to ensure your privacy and elevate your customer's experience. Find the slot on the L-shaped plug of the earpiece and the bump inside the earpiece jack. Align the slot with the bump. Insert the earpiece plug into the audio jack, and then rotate the plug clockwise by 180 degrees. You can rotate the earbud to fit your left or right ear. Press and hold the PTT button on the earpiece to activate a call.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Thanks for watching the S1 Quick Start Guide. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and see you next time.